IKEA, a Swedish furniture company known as the world's largest furniture seller, has a staggering presence with approximately 460 stores worldwide. And these stores attract 700 million customers every year, further exemplifying IKEA's impressive reach. To make sure its stores are always well stocked, IKEA partners with Capgemini, a company that helps manage their INOS application. INOS helps IKEA efficiently restock its stores, so they can meet the needs of their customers on time. INOS, Internal Order Booking System, is the only application which handles manual creation and deletion of orders among different business units by business users. As a team, we have been successfully managing and handling this application for over a decade. Recognizing the need for improvement, we propose to IKEA that they upgrade to new technology. This upgrade would not only increase scalability but also save on maintenance costs. Currently, the existing INOS system utilizes 3 different servers for 3 different regions and relies on a Windows-based application instead of a more efficient web-based solution. By transitioning to new technology, IKEA can streamline operations, enhance scalability, and reduce maintenance expenses. IKEA appreciated the idea and approved the POC. Our team built a POC using latest technology stack for all 3 tiers: front-end, business layer, and the database. The existing GUI screens has been redesigned and multiple screen functionality merged into brand new web application using the latest web technology. The middle layer is upgraded to microservices with Spring Boot, which are loosely coupled and independent of the other services. The database is upgraded to latest Oracle 19c version and the 3 region-specific instances of INOS, which are merged to a single instance. After the POC was completed, IKEA gave approval for full-fledged implementation. Our team started working on it, and having faced several challenges, the team's diligence begins to bear fruit and the application went live within the stipulated time. From a cost perspective, this transition led to savings of €200 a year per IKEA IT user. Maintaining and managing a single database is more cost-effective than maintaining multiple databases. Also, the web-based application eliminates the need for extensive hardware and software installations on individual devices, reducing IT infrastructure costs. The efforts of our team were greatly appreciated by IKEA. The product owner and solution architect commended our team for their exceptional work.